never really left us. These songs are still on our playlists. We still quote the lines, and yes, some of us still wear those wigs. You don't know those wigs, right? For millions of fans all around the world, Hannah Montana has always been more than just a character on the screen. She reminds us that you don't just have to choose one version of yourself. You can be bold, you can be silly, you can be confident and unsure, all at the same time. And it's that message that has resonated so deeply with fans for 2 decades now. And what's great is that an entirely new generation is still discovering the magic of Hannah for the very first time. The love, response, and the feedback that we continue to get on this franchise is truly incredible. And let me tell you that you can feel that love in this room tonight, which is why this is special. It's not only a celebration of Hannah Montana, but more importantly, a celebration of the fans. The ones who kept music playing, who still sing Best of Both Worlds in their car, who still dress up in those iconic fits, y'all, and who are now sharing the show with children of their own. Now, I'd like to take a moment, some of y'all got some kids in here, I know that. Now, I want to take a moment to express our incredible gratitude for the amazing team of storytellers and creators who have helped make tonight's special possible, including Dina Walden, Craig Kerwin, Deborah O'Connell, as well as the entire team at Disney Branded Television, including Charlie Andrews, Brenda Grant, Amanda Rainey, and Aaron Heckman. Our host and executive producer, Alex Cooper. Executive producers, Ashley Edens, Sam Rich, Matt Kaplan, and everyone at Unwell Productions. Now this is a special one, Tish Cyrus Purcell. And everyone at Hopetown Entertainment. And of course, the incomparable Miley Cyrus.
Nothing prepared for this moment right now. And I did not do that by mistake. Because everything that we are going to celebrate tonight was not a mistake. It wasn't magic, which Disney is known for creating. It was the effort, the loyalty, the support of the fans who made my life possible beyond the show, and for that, I am so grateful to each and every one of you. And it doesn't stop there. I'm looking out right now in the audience and seeing so many faces that made this possible. Gary, you are kind of responsible even for this dress. Without you, I would never get to wear this dress. Everything in my life is so amazing because Disney took a chance on me. I had no business coming out to LA thinking that I could carry a show or pretend to be a pop star. I had no experience. I had done some theater before. They always made me play a dude because of the husky voice. I played someone's grandpa, like in a little play in Franklin or something. But besides that, I was pretty much a virgin. So, pretty much. But, no, I was, I promise. Disney's worries. There were some years where I think they thought they made the right call, and then the show ended. And that's when they all started going, Gary. No, I think it all worked out just fine. Because whatever got us here in this room to honor and celebrate, not just the show itself, which has been the beginning of all of this. The cast is here tonight. It is so amazing to see Without you all, this show would have never been what it is. And I love saying what it is, not what it was. Tonight isn't about looking back into the past, but it's about what it means to us still tonight. And I say us because all of us, not just you as fans, but for us that got to be a part of it. And for me now that I get to be a part of it in a way that I never could when I was in the middle of everything. You know, being Hannah, I might be the only one in this room that never got to go to a Hannah Montana concert. I was the Hannah Montana concert. But now I understand why it was so much fun to go to one of Hannah's shows, dress like her, wear the wig, wear the scarf. That's what it felt like for me to celebrate now Hannah Montana from the other side. And I owe the other side. You can do that with kind of anything. There's always a Hannah song. But I wanted to thank Alex myself. I was driving out to the archives to go look what I had collected. Some say hoarded, but I say collected and preserved from every era, not just from Hannah Montana, but throughout my career, which so many of you have been a part of. But I called her just with this wild idea. Would you ever think it could be a good idea to do a Hannah Montana anniversary special? But because I was in the middle of it, because I was Hannah, I didn't know what you all would want. And Alex, being a super fan, kind of creepy. She's also my neighbor, which is also creepy. She got money and then she moved next door to me. Yeah. There was no other host. I was like, just walk next. Yeah, it was weird. And she's like, oh my God, you live here? She interviewed me at my house like 5 years ago, so you knew damn well that's where I live. But anyways, thank you for being this host. Thank you for being so insanely dedicated to Hannah Montana and making